What's up, everybody? So, today was 3rd December 2025, and I took a trade today. So, yeah, this was the trade for the day. Over here, as you guys can see, that here there's a support, there's a bullish candle formation and a support. So, I bought over here so that it can go and it can somehow go up with a stop loss below the previous low. So this was the trade idea, and over here, as you guys can see, that everything was like perfect for me. So I executed, but the next candle I executed on this candle closure, but the next candle went and it hit my stop loss. So now, as you guys can see, that it has hit my stop loss. So I am now $79 down for the day. You guys can see this on my MT5 as well. See, this was in the Asian session, price was going up over here, as you guys can see, and it retraced, it came back to the support. This is a proper setup which I follow every time, and I've seen this multiple times in the past as well. So as soon as this candle was formed, this bullish candle was formed on the support, it went, it was formed on the support. I took a buy over here with a stop loss right below this low. So it straight up went away and hit my stop loss. Trade was not that bad, but yeah, man, probability hits sometimes. One thing which was a bit concerning was that on the 4 hour was rejected. As you guys can see, that this was a bearish candle, and this bearish candle was rejected from this resistance, right? This was a resistance, it was rejected from this resistance. So this was a bearish candle, so it was high, there was a lot of probability for the price to move down, yeah, based on the 4 hour. But if you see on the 1 hour, there was a support. If you see on the M30, this was a support. So yeah, uh, hit a stop loss for the day. Now I'm gonna take a break from trading because I really wanna like backtest my systems a lot, because I don't have that much confidence. Like you guys know that I was like on the verge of passing this account once. Like I was I gained 6% in a day, and on that same trade, if I had just extended my TPs, so I would have passed that account in that trade. So because I did not place a correct TP, so I couldn't pass this account. But right now I am down 2% again. So now, yeah, man, like this is trading. Like this is actual life trading. You cannot, the amount of lessons it teaches you, you can never learn these lessons from just from backtesting. You really need to trade live every day in order to learn all of these lessons. So yeah, this is the trade for the day, and one L today. You know what? The last trade which I saw, which I regretted to not take, the last video which I posted, that was also pretty much the same setup, right? If you guys can see, a price approached a support, formed a bullish candle, and you just had to execute a buy over there, right? So down 2% again today, and now I'm gonna like take a break from trading for like 1 week, or maybe if I see a setup, I'm gonna execute. I might risk 2% and just try to make 4% again. One more trade I'm gonna take, maybe, if I see a good setup. So as you guys can see, on December, I like lost. Yeah, it hasn't loaded it yet. So it hasn't loaded it yet, I think. No, it has. Like, I lost $91 today, like after slippage and everything. So yeah, this is my trade history. Yeah, man, this was a good day. And after on this trade, I could have easily cleared my account, but after this, I had three losses consecutively. So I lost some percentages of my profits at this point. Now, you know what? The last YouTube video which I posted, in that video, if you guys actually see, as you guys can see that on this day as well, the setup was pretty much same, right? This is the last trade recap which I posted. As you guys can see that the setup, this is a support, there's a clean bearish candle, and then there was a bullish candle formation on the support. This bullish candle was strong. This is another confluence. It's stronger than the bullish candle formation which I had today. So yeah, this is a bit stronger, but the whole trade idea was pretty much really similar. This was a support, price came back, formed a bullish candle. If I had executed a buy, uh, I could have easily captured all of this move. So yeah, this was the trade for maybe like was a good trade. I didn't take this trade. I just hesitated at this buy, but today after learning from this trade, I said no, I'm gonna take a trade today. And when I took the trade today, so it hit my stop loss. As you guys can see over here, everything was good, man. This was not a very weak bullish candle. This was also a good bullish candle, as if you guys can see. This is good candle as support. This was the support area, and I had taken a buy right over here. My buy was placed. My stop loss was somewhere over here, right beneath this low, which was a 30 pip stop loss. And my TP was simple. My TP was just 1 to 1. I was somewhere over here. Trade was good, man. I think there was not enough volume. The bullish confirmations were also really good, but I think there was not enough volume, so price didn't move up. So yeah, that was the trade for the day. Done for the day. I'm now gonna maybe take some break from actual live trading. If I see a really good setup, I might execute. But now I'm really gonna focus on some back testing for some few days so that I can really like have some data on my setup so that I can execute flawlessly. Thank you so much.